The ongoing struggle between cat and dog. Who's gonna win this one? Oh, it's the cat! He's just like, get out of my room! It's my room! Hey guys, Dan S. Machina here. Thanks for hanging out. And given what's going on right now, I think we need a little bit of a distraction, something to make us laugh, make us smile. And what better way to do that than look at these funny animals? And I know this is a try not to laugh challenge, but let's face it, given my track record, there is no way I'm going to be able to make it through this without laughing. It'll probably even be in the very first video. But before we get into it, please go over and support Funny Animals Life for supplying today's video. I'll leave a link to their channel, along with a link to the original video in the description below. Then go over and support my channel. It's very easy, just go right below this video. Give the like button some love, and if you're new here, please click that subscribe button. And ring the notification bell because I put up new videos every single day. And every little bit of support helps. And without any further ado, let go. Aw, look at the little guy. Uh-oh. Oh. He's mimicking the dog! Oh my god. I told you it wasn't going to take me long to laugh at these videos. My goodness. Oh. DJ Kitty in the house. DJ Purr. DJ Catnip. Oh. Pup, are you just eating at the air? You just want to taste that air, that delicious air? Hey, you go ahead and eat that air. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Is this cat gonna fall into the water? Yes. That's probably gonna happen. Oh no! Oh no! The cat tried to hit something over here and just lost the balance. Oh no. Uh-oh. The ongoing struggle between cat and dog. Who's gonna win this one? Oh, it's the cat! He's just like, get out of my room! It's my room! Oh. Oh, it's such a derpy face. So adorable. Oh my god. Uh-oh. What we got going on here, little kitty? Oh no, don't fall. Don't fall. Careful. Careful. Okay. Alright. You're just going to walk underneath there. Okay, as long as you don't fall, I'm good.
Izzy, is it dinner time?
Is it? Oh! Oh! Izzy loves dinner time. Izzy loves that dinner time.
Moment. You're outside.
Alright. What are we doing here? Cat on a leash. You don't see that every day! Okay! Oh, well, at least the cat didn't fall anything bad. Ooh. Ooh. You getting sick? Or that's the human imitating him. Not amused. Not amused in the slightest. Oh, hello there, kitty. Wants to come outside. Let me outside, please. Let me outside, please. Why are you just recording for? Let me outside.
Learn how to growl and bark.
Oh my goodness. Crazy puppy. Crazy puppy. It just... she just popped up. She was like she's on a spring. My goodness. Uh-oh. Introducing. Oh, no. Dog is like, who the fuck is this? Get that thing away from me! Alright, cat going through the doggy door. Does not know how to use. Oh my goodness. It's like, I love you. I want to come outside with you. Oh, what a big yawn! Oh. Oh, Puppy wants attention. I know that look. I know that sound. This one does it all the time. Yeah, I know. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, rights and lefts! Oh, if there was a... Okay. Oh, right. Oh, no. Oh, cat not backing down.
Go home. Come on.
Nope. Does not want to leave. Just stay right there. No. Hey, yo, pup. Pup number 2. Like, comes in like, look, I sits. Can I get a treat now? Ooh. Ooh, we have another struggle here between cat and fish. Who's gonna win this one? Oh! Clearly the fish! Oh, oh. Oh! Oh, we got some height! Got some height! Damn.
On camera.
Go play basketball, Puff.
Buddy, why? Why you gotta do that? Why?
Oh, it's like, help me, I'm stuck!
Ah.
I'm stuck! No, I'm not. Just kidding. I fixed your blind, it's better now. Oh, hello there. Oh.
Hi.
Oh. He's like, I want to be out with you. Why don't you take me? He's so sad. Uh-oh. What's gonna happen at the end here? What's gonna happen? Oh! Whoops. Oh. Oh, we have a breakdancing dog. Breakdancing dog, everybody. Let him go. Let him go. Got some moves. Oh. Oh. The cat just opened to see what was in there. Oh my god, is there catnip in there? Are there treats? Are there toys? There's probably something in there that the cat wants. Oh, there is, and it was moved, and that's the look of, where did you put them? Yeah, that's that look. I can see that look anywhere. Recognize that look anywhere, rather. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, you flying! Flying puppy! Flying puppy! Flying! Oh, watching some football. Yeah. Cat acting like a human watching football. Okay. The belly out and everything. It's like, hello. How's it going? Oh. Cat's like, mine. Mine. Oh, no, you're in trouble. Oh, you in trouble. Look how much mess you made. Oh, my goodness.
You okay there, Cooper?
I'm so high right now. So high. Look so stoned. Oh, okay. Oh! I don't know how that cat managed to do that. I think we need a new TV. Oh my goodness. He's singing. This is a singing dog. This is a singing puppy. Oh my goodness, that's adorable. Oh. Oh, better than a laser pointer. It's like, I'm gonna get that shadow.
Zoe. Zoe. She doesn't like the camera. Zoe. Zoe.
It's like, get away from me. I'm camera shy. I've told you I'm camera shy. Oh, hello. You drinking the dog water? Oh, dog water. The toilet water, which is normally drank by the dog. That's why I call it dog water. Oh, hello, deer. How you doing? Interaction between dog and deer. What's gonna happen here, guys? What's gonna happen? Are they gonna become best friends, or is the dog gonna chase it away? Let's see. Oh, chases it away. Aw. Alright, here we go. We have two cats. Oh! It's like, love me! Love me! You're gonna love me! Take my love, which is me smacking you in the face with my paws. The cat's like, what the hell just happened? Ooh, we have a fidget spinner going on here. The cat's having so much fun playing with it. Who knew that this could be a toy for cats? So great. Oh! Oh! Oh, I see what's happening here. Because the cats are notorious for going after lizards. And that's a fake lizard, but the cat doesn't know. So the cat's like, it's mine now. I kills it. I kills it dead. It's like, there, pup. You take it. We will work together on this one. Hello there. Oh, oh, playtime with the kitty. Playtime. Oh. What? One side, the other side, this side, that side. Oh, going all over the place. Oh my goodness. Oh, looks like a nice afternoon party. Dog. Not even fully on that thing. Just sort of hanging his butt off. Oh my god. Look how happy. Oh my god. Loves that so much. Like, I'm in heaven right now. Hello, kitty. How you doing? Oh. Time. Oh! Did a flip there. Is that a goat? Okay. Goat and cat getting along. Oh, no! Goat's like, this is mine. Oh! It's like, look, I'm running with you. What is happening here? Why? Cat, why are you just standing like a human? Did you turn into a human? Oh, wants to play. Oh my god, that's adorable. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I can't catch it, how adorable this is. Oh my god. Oh, not cat. Dog discovers the door stopper for the very first time, is now going to be so intrigued by it. Oh, I thought there was going to be more. Oh, hi. Hello. And saw that dog in a weird time. What kind of noises are you? Oh my! What kind of noises are you making? Oh my god. No, baby, what is you doing? That's a good question. Oh no, you can't fit through. Oh no!
Oh my god, Luna.
So comfortable right now. Do not bother me. I'm sleeping. Oh. Dog on the water. Chilling. Looking around. Seeing all these new things. Not really sure what's going on, but kind of into it. Looking for something underwater. Oh, those are cute goggles! Look at those goggles! They're so cute! Oh, no. Dog is human! It's like, what? I'm comfortable. I don't know why this is comfortable, but it just is. Whoa. What are we doing? Moving up, moving down. Oh. Come on, you can do it. Get your butt up there. Come on. Come on, push up. Come on. Oh, you need some help. Oh, I has your phone. It's mine now. It's mine. I'm gonna call all my cat friends. We're gonna have a cat party. It's gonna be great. Ooh. If I fits, I sits. I'm gonna find a way to fit. I'm gonna find a way. Oh, sort of works. Sort of. Oh. Fun fact, my dog does that all the time. Don't you, bud? All the time. He'll do that on my bed and just stare up at me. Oh my god, is that a baby rabbit and a puppy? Are you serious? I can't handle how adorable that is. Oh, the hops. Oh, the hops. Oh my god. I instantly just feel so much better. Every single one of these videos were great. But what did you think about this one? Please let me know down in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed, please leave a like. Also, if you want to see other Try Not to Laugh challenges that I've done, got a nice playlist right over there full of them for you. Share this video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Ring notification bell because I put up new videos every single day. And I'll see you guys next time.